I am the AfroGirl. We are live right here with MX Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and across the world. Now, let's jump right into our very first story. Congratulations are in order to Kamido, as he has landed his first ever BET Awards nomination. He was nominated in the Best New International Act category alongside Ashake, of course, from Nigeria, Flo from UK, Libyanka from Cameroon, Maureen from France, MC Ryan SP from Brazil, Pabi Cooper from South Africa, Ray from UK, and Wenoy from France. Once again, a huge congratulations to him, and hopefully we win this one. Fingers crossed. Fingers are tightly crossed. But I think we are progressing as Africans on international platforms, because I saw Thames and Burna Boy nominated for Best Female and Best Male R&B Pop Artist. And this is a long way from us being just nominated for international acts. So big ups to us. Also, Burna Boy has the most nominations ever for any African artist in a single night. He was nominated for Best Male R&B Pop Artist, as I mentioned earlier, Video Director of the Year, Viewers' Choice Awards for Last, and Best International Act. Charlie, congratulations to him. Congratulations to everybody, especially, you know, Kamido. Yeah. So moving on, we are still in Nigeria, but Davido is back again in my news, and this time it's because he made a statement about Burna Boy. In a now viral video, Davido is seen speaking at an interview, and he made reference to how he and Wizkid were the first ones to blow up. Now, according to him, he and Wizkid did it first, and he's happy to see new cats. He said new cats. New cats like Burna Boy, Mayokun, Ashake, and more also killing it. And it's caused, I don't know, the Burna Boy people, they are fighting on social media because of what he said. But you know what? Let's check out the video. Let's listen to what he actually said, and then we come back and talk about it.
Everybody knows now. I was one of the first, me and Wizkid blowed up, you know what I'm saying? So it feels good, you know what I'm saying? Seeing, and then it feels good also seeing the new cats coming up. You know, so like Burna Boy, Rema, Fireboy, who else? Mayokun. You know, I love new cats coming, killing it. Ashake, that's on my album. So yeah, so like, I think the future in Afrobeats is in good hands. Everybody knows now. I was one of the first, me and Wizkid blowed up, you know what I'm saying? So it feels good, you know what I'm saying? Seeing, and then it feels good also seeing the new cats coming up. You know, so like Burna Boy, Rema.
So now the thing is, some people don't understand why he described Burna Boy as a new cat, and they think that Davido was just being petty. But as for this fight, I don't know who to support. Generally, I'll go for Davido, but what I do know is that those times we really knew of Davido, we knew of Wizkid, we knew of Olamide, and so I get where Davido is coming from. But again, I don't know. I don't want to choose sides, so I'm leaving it to you. Let us know what you think. Leave us comments in the comment section below. Now, coming back to Ghana, in a video that I saw yesterday on TikTok, apparently Akabeneza and his team, along with Ifeodor, wanted to shoot a skit at the car park of the Achimota Mall, but they were prevented by the mall security, and this resulted in, you know, some back and forths among him, his team, and the security on the ground. Now we have the video where, you know, the brouhaha was happening, so let's check it out. You people made Akabineza go back to Ras Nene. You brought out their Hausa. Anyways, guys, I think the crust of the issue is they didn't ask for permission to use the car park. But at the end of the day, they also assume that, the car park or the mall is a public space. So they assume that they can film there. But I don't know. I think anywhere in this Accra or in this Ghana, if you want to shoot something, I just think it's prudent enough to go speak to, the security, talk to them, let them know what you're about and all of that, and then they give you the pass. But as a content creator too, I've heard my colleagues complain about this filming at the mall thing, and because if you use your phone to film, nobody really worries you. But if you take your cute camera out, and then now they'll start chasing you all over the place like you're a thief. Anyways, what do you think they should have done? Let us know in the comments section. But that's it for me. That's it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. For all your entertainment stories, you know what to do. Follow us on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.